Hey there, it's Boot Zone here. This is an Indesit IWDE7145 washing machine. Quite a modern one. I'll show you how to do the lint filter on it, how to check it and clean it. So with a screwdriver or something like that, maybe, just pop the tabs on the front. There's 3 on this one by the looks of things, I'm just guessing. Then lift that out. And then down here, get some water. And you can check what's coming out. I didn't see anything interesting coming out, but it looks pretty clean. You can see the impeller blades in there. So it looks clean. If it's clean like that, then that's good. If there's dirt in it, take it out, give it a wash, tidy it up, screw it back together just like this until it's good and tight, and then offer up these 3 tabs on the bottom and just snap the top in. And that's it. That's the lint filter on your Indesit IWDE7145. Thanks for watching. See you later.